Garden's Growth's featured plant of the day is the rose. This one is a beautiful pink Zephyr and Dawn rose. And also this is a pretty coral rose. This one was also grafted onto the root of a one that's more cold hardy, like this old rose here in the background. But they will still try, if you have a cold winter, sometimes they will try to go back to the old root rose. So I'm having trouble keeping this one. Every year I have to clip some of the old rose off and hope I can keep this beautiful color. And this color is also a beautiful, it is a single rose. I also have a pink one, and even though these are two of my favorite colors, all the roses are just beautiful and the scent is wonderful.